said, generally speaking, if you ask me as a user, I would say like, especially for the market makers, for high frequency trading and so on and so forth, the moment it's here, so we don't have to like wait till 2028, 2029 or whatever. So of course, we see also the market, it's not very stable as well and so on. But like in the end, they were not really targeting the retail people, were targeting like the people that will take into account market volatility anyways, be it like whether it's going down or up, it doesn't matter, right?